Hi, I'm Darren Seneschal, Store Manager of TGK Automotive of Crystal. Here at TGK Automotive, we like to offer quality service done by trained technicians. Our job is to inform the customer through AS1 digital inspection so customers can see what we see and make the best decision for them under no pressure. We want to earn your business by earning your trust. At TGK Crystal, not only am I the store manager, but we also have a service manager. This helps our process flow smoothly for our customers so cars can get done in a timely manner. To the community of Crystal, not only can we service all your vehicle needs, we also like to give back. Most recently, just donated 150 pounds of food to the nearest food shelf, school donations, among other things. If you have any automotive needs, feel free to stop in or give us a call.
TGK Automotive, earning your business by earning your trust.